Julianne, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up the Eureka RapidClean Pro cordless vacuum cleaner. So first we are going to take our dustbin right here, our little attachment with our handle, very nice handle. This is where you're going to plug your vacuum cleaner in whenever you're ready to charge it, and the charger is right here. Simple 2-prong outlet, very nice thick cord, super easy to use. Then we are going to take this piece right here and we are going to line it up, I believe, with this side right here so you can see the button side. You're literally just going to pop it in place, boom, and you'll hear it click in place. And then this is where you would attach either if you want to attach an attachment or if you want to put the floor sweeper on. We'll put the floor one on first. You're going to do a pop again, boom, just like that. Super, super easy. However, it also does come with these attachments as I was mentioning earlier. So if you want to use it in handheld position, you can as well. And it's even got a little wall hanger, which is pretty cool. And to turn it on, you simply just press the power button right here. So let's go ahead and try it. So you're going to, boom, you press the mode button right there, and then this changes the power. So it's got 2 different settings, and like I said, it's got a light on front, so it's super cool. So you can literally see as you're cleaning, it glides so easily along the surface. Very easy to use, very space savvy, doesn't take up much space, very easy to put together, and very powerful as well. Works on both hardwood floor